Want to transform your life? Start with just 1% daily improvements. Small change equals big impact. 2-minute rule: start tasks small, build momentum. Plan tomorrow tonight. Optimize your mornings. Focus on progress, not perfection. Reduce screen time. Practice gratitude. Learn something new daily. Read 10 pages a day. Meditate for 5 minutes. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Hydrate properly. Meal prep for better nutrition. Listen to podcasts/audiobooks. Improve sleep hygiene. Practice deep breathing. Set clear goals with deadlines. Give 1% more kindness daily. Track your progress. Declutter your space. Celebrate small wins. 1% every day equals 37x growth in a year. Start now. Like, comment, and subscribe for more daily upgrades.